A very good morning to you all, my dear students. We are reading the chapter People as Resources of class 9th, and in our previous video we have discussed about the importance of education. And today we will discuss about the unemployment, its types, and what are the effects of unemployment in our country. So, first of all, what is unemployment? It is a situation when a person is willing to work but fails to find all gainful work or jobs. It is the major economic problem of India. As we have all discussed earlier, human resources can play a vital role in development of an economy. But if these resources do not get opportunities to work, then it becomes a big burden on the economy. Now there are many types of unemployment. First is disguised unemployment. What is disguised unemployment? It is a situation in which more people are engaged in an activity than required. When more people are engaged in an activity than required. I am giving you an example. In agriculture, if there are 10 members in a family and they have a very small plot to cultivate, and all are doing work on that field, but actually there is need of 5 workers in that field, so the 5 people will be known as disguised unemployed, because if we remove those 5 person from the field, the production will not fall, and there will be no effect on the production. So these people are known as disguised unemployed. So there are many factors which are responsible of disguised unemployment. First is over dependence on agriculture. There is no alternative employment opportunities and lack of diversification of agriculture. And second one is seasonal unemployment. As its name signifies, it is a type of unemployment under which people are employed during some parts of the year and remain without work during the rest of the year. This is mostly found in agriculture in India. In India, it is a seasonal activity. During the harvesting and sowing season, more laborers are required, but after the season is over, these laborers become unemployed. Some industries also provide work only for a particular season. For example, sugar industry, they made sugar during the sugarcane season, so in other time the laborers are unemployed. Third type is structural unemployment. It is that situation in which unemployment occurs due to lack of capital, lack of resources, and underutilization of natural resources. And last type is educated unemployment. What is educated unemployment? Why there is educated unemployment? This is mainly found in urban areas, and many youth with matriculation, graduation, and post graduation degrees are not able to find a job. This is because India has failed to balance its education policy according to the needs of the economy. There is surplus manpower in certain categories, while there is dearth in technical skills in other sectors. So these were the types of unemployment. Now let's talk about the effects of unemployment. First effect is loss of human resources. Because of unemployment, there is loss of human resources. Time of country's labor force is wasted for want of employment. It also lead to underutilization of natural resources. Second one, there is increase in the poverty because of unemployment. In a state of unemployment, a man is deprived of all the sources of income. And third effect of unemployment is social problems. Because of unemployment, many social problems like terrorism, dishonesty, immorality, gambling occurs. And because of unemployment, social security is jeopardized. And next effect of unemployment is political instability. Because of the unemployment, people lose all faith in democratic values and peaceful means. They launch agitations and even sometimes do unlawful activities. So there will be political instability. And next one is exploitation of the laborers. Laborers are exploited to the maximum in a state of unemployment. Those laborers who are lucky to get employed have to work under adverse conditions at low wages. So these are the effects, like first one was loss of human resources, second one increase in poverty, social problems occurs, political instability is there and exploitation of laborers are done because of unemployment. So our chapter is complete. That's all from my side today. Thank you and have a nice day.